want to show you some really cool tips if you are having less flowers on your flower farm, and some ways to bring more variety in, and different DIY projects you can do. So I went out into some of our fields that we have, and I found some just old flower head tops. Here, I'll show you what we're looking at. They look like this. They kind of look like sunballs or crispidia. Anyways, but they're brown. So kind of to add some color, I've got some spray paint with me. And so I'm gonna do some spray paint and kind of see if maybe it'll look good in a bouquet, and we'll show you some bouquets later that we're gonna put them in. These ones are kind of a more browny golden color, so I think I'm gonna leave these ones. So we did some reddish tint on this one. Hey everybody! So I'm out here doing deliveries, and I was going to show you those little seed pods that we sprayed earlier in one of these bouquets. So it's hard to see in the car here, but here are the ones that are white. And I had scattered them in one of the bouquets, and you didn't quite see the color of the seed pods. But here you can notice how white they are, and it's just a really cool affect. I hope you enjoyed this and that you'll be able to use these ideas.